Hey everyone, so today I am here with another Erin Condren haul. I'm sure I'm the last person to post about the Wonder Woman and Erin Condren collab, but I still wanted to put this video up because I'm very excited about the things that I got. I was gifted some of these items, everything but one, which I will show you, but I'm very excited to share this stuff with you guys because Erin Condren has collabed with Wonder Woman to create a ton of products. There's a lot of really good stuff, and this is just the stuff that I picked up, and I'm really excited to show you everything. So I'll start quickly with the item that is not Wonder Woman related because I just needed them for myself, and that is these Coil Clips connectors. I thought I had these, but I guess I didn't, so I just went ahead and grabbed a pack. There's a bunch of different sizes. I got the 4-inch connectors, so I just went ahead and picked those up, and these are obviously not a part of the Wonder Woman collab. But what is a part of the collab is all of this good stuff over here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling things. So the first being these colorful dual tip markers. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I kind of have a problem with the dual tip markers. I am obsessed with them. I love them so much. So I definitely wanted to grab these because I don't have a black or a red, which I thought was kind of crazy. I do have like a very royal blue, but this is black, red, and blue. Very nice, like basic colors to have. I feel like this is actually really good for like teachers to have in these trying times. So I guess parents as well. But yeah, so I went ahead and grabbed these just to kind of add to my dual tip marker collection. I then went ahead and grabbed one of these notebooks. This is the Wonder Woman and Erin Condren Softbound Notebook. I do believe this is one of the items that you can get personalized, but I opted out just because I love the way this looks. It's one of these softbound notebooks. I just love the softbound notebooks. It is white with gold foiling, and it looks really nice. It has the Wonder Woman logo here. I think this would look so nice on a shelf just because of that spine. And then of course it has the gold foiling on the edges. It says, "Be the hero." This is so nice. And then I did pick just the classic college lined notebook. I believe it also came in a dot grid and potentially something else. It does have a little bookmark too, which is nice. So these come in handy for me because I am constantly jotting down notes. I have a ton of like sticky notes that I use, and I constantly am just taking notes. So to have something small like this is really helpful for me. I have a couple next to me on my desk that I always use, and this will just look perfect in my little collection there. I then also did grab the red planny pack. If you guys have been following me for like the past couple of weeks, you would know my current new obsession with the planny pack. I have a black one and I really love it, but they offer a ton of different colors, but obviously, or I don't think they offered any red, but I loved this. I thought this was so nice. So I did go ahead and grab the red. Oh, this would look so good with this white softbound notebook. Oh my gosh, and it has silver hardware. Just looks like this if you've never seen the planny. Oh my god, it's blue on the inside. I didn't even know that. That is so nice. And this feels a little bit thicker than mine, but this is such a nice color. This goes together so well, but I'm not quite sure which notebook or what I'm going to use this for. I might change this out like interchangeably with my current planny pack, but I really love these. I love that blue inside. This is so nice, and it does feel a little bit thicker than the one I have. I'm not sure if that's true or not. That's just the way I feel, but I did grab this as well. And then I did grab the Notepads. They don't come like this. They come with like a sheet on top, like a protective sheet, and wrapped together. But because they are personalized, which I love, and then I did choose this pattern. There was a couple of different patterns you could choose. Again, I'm a note-taking kind of person. I'm constantly jotting things down. I feel like for me, these would be perfect for my pre-plans to write down, so I can transfer that into my planner, and this is perfect. And I love the personalization. It's so cute. I mean, not that I give notes to people, but to have my name at the bottom, pretty nice. And again, I really like the pattern, and I just like how blank this is. It's gonna be perfect for taking notes because I have a lot of notepads. For example, this is the one I'm currently using. That's just, it's a lot. It's very cute, but this is like the amount of space I have to write, which is very small. I mean, it's a beautiful notepad, don't get me wrong, but having this much space is very nice. So I got those, and then the last thing I did get was one of the coiled notebooks. Again, I'm a note-taking kind of person. I love the cover. They had a lot of cover options. This is the one I liked the most. Again, I did get it personalized, and it is just the classic lined notebook. I mean, you can never go wrong with having a bunch of notebooks, honestly. I've always been that kind of person. But again, I really like this cover. This will be nice if I just want to change it out for what's on my planner, what's on my budget planner, anything like that. This is really cute. So that is everything that I got from the Wonder Woman collaboration, plus my coil connectors, my coil clips. I needed them. But that is everything like for my small Erin Condren haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link everything down below. Make sure to check it out and see all the other options they have too. If maybe this pattern isn't your cup of tea, there's a ton of really, really cute patterns. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.